Good morning, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. As we look outside the Miami Tower Cam this morning, it is sticky and warm. Winds out of the north-northwest and Key West, otherwise calm with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. A line of thunderstorms moving along the Overseas Highway this morning from Key Largo all the way down towards Marathon. Heaviest rain in the upper Keys and anywhere from the 7-mile bridge stretching back towards Big Pine. So winds calm. Eventually today they will be out of the south-southwest, pushing our temperatures back up in the low 80s. We'll start our day right around 76 degrees with that high of 84. Rain chance stays high here over the next 48 hours before dipping down over the weekend. And as we look at the temperatures, we'll finally get a brief cool down here Friday and Saturday with highs only in the mid 70s. Don't forget, anytime you want your forecast, it's always here at local10.com.